This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Eitada. Chiefs, This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Maromo Gallants 2. It's a birthday premiership. Nine dot Ndravele.
Into Ndravele ngwematheze slope. Le ngingusurprise ustulo.
Yeah. Uche.
Bangibiza njalo abantu bangazi.
Nazo, yeah.
Ufika
kanjani game namhlanje?
Asina goal madoda.
Anina goal noma goalkeeper.
Uko Bruce washo Kaizer Chiefs players angiboni umuntu. Bekabiza ubavuma. Ukhuna ukhulumile.
Yeah.
But ukhuna ukhuluma manga. Asina goal madoda. Goal number 2.
Yeah.
How can you also set piece?
Anina goal noma goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper.
Oh, goalkeeper, yeah.
You goal song number from le.
Yeah.
Center line lokora.
Yeah.
Abo mashonisa napa. Bacho tina sokuyapi. Tina madoda izentsheleni. Mara our MS Kaizer Chiefs fans. So phela number 8 sifuna laba bezandla. Nitsho yini?
Nibafuna nibashayile laba bayekeni laba.
Sababuyela ku top 8.
Oh, top 8.
Abo makhelwane
soba. Ufuna uphume number 8 so that laba mabephume number 1 and nifuna phinde futhi.
Obviously sikhaphe balithatha ngilo lelo.
Iye.
Asentu kubathola?
Yeah.
Saku semi final. Masatawana silindile top 8.
Kabuyela.
Lokhu sadlala lokhu.
Yeah.
So the Pirates ihlale ku number 80.
Yeah.
Sweeney Pirates number 1 number 8 Sundowns ne.
Yeah.
After Sundowns udlala number 1 number 8 number 1 to number 8. Sweeney Pirates.
Yeah.
Saku final next season.
Yeah.
Mara unabatsho yapheka mara yakuvutha.
Yapheka akuzovuta thanks
Mashonisa yavuthwa lapha mara kunabi.
For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Eitada.